Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Bonjour. Welcome to this French beach extravaganza where we'll be taking a 4 Kelvin walking tour of the best beaches in France. I'm excited to take you along on this journey as we explore the breathtaking views, crystal clear waters, and sandy beaches that France has to offer. Before we get started, I want to ask you to hit that like button if you're excited to join me on this tour. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring more exciting content like this to you.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
Also, don't forget to write a comment below the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. This beautiful trail runs along the coastline of the French Riviera and offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. You'll see stunning beaches, rocky coves, and beautiful cliffs as we walk along this trail. Our next stop is the beautiful Plage Les Baguettes located in the Camargue region of France. This beach is known for its vast sandy dunes and crystal clear waters. It's the perfect spot to relax, sunbathe, and swim in the refreshing waters of the Mediterranean. Finally, we end our tour at the stunning Plage Cannes-La-Bocca located on the island of Corsica. This beach is known for its crystal clear waters, soft white sand, and picturesque rocky outcrops. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak up the beauty of the Mediterranean. Well, that brings us to the end of our French beach extravaganza. I hope you enjoyed the stunning scenery and crystal clear waters as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below the video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!